polyps and variances that leads to my operation. And after that operation, I have palpitation of 180 beats per minute. And because I'm surgically menopause, my skin is dry. And every time I go up, climb doon sa stairs namin, naririnig ko po yung tuhod ko, cramp. 45 pa lang ako. Paano pa kaya ako pag 50 na ako? So I told my husband, alam mo, so every time I have 180 beats per minute, parang magpa-pass out ako. I'm seeing my children, I'm no longer effective as a mother. I always depend to my children, to Angelo, to my eldest son, na mamalengke, take care ako, kasi nakahiga ako. And my son, Luis, who is that time, I think just 10 years old, he keeps on crying. Kasi nakikita niya ako, para ako nauupos na kandila. Tapos nakaupo siya, sabi ko, bakit ka nakaupo dyan? Sabi niya, Nanay, I am praying. Because sabi niya, please, huwag ka muna mamamatay. Ang hirap po, no, ng nanay, hindi pa pwede mamatay. Sabi niya, because two of my kuya, they are special. Paano ako? Wala palagi si tatay. So I gather my strength. So I pray to God, sabi ko, God, please lead me to the right way. Sabi ko, God, sabi ko, please, sabi ko, wag mo akong bitawan. Sabi ko, I will hold on to you. Please, wag mo akong bitawan. Of course, hindi po isang isna dumating agad, ano. But slowly, I regained back my health. I drive Uber. I met Miss Lomansing, and I met Leeway International. And after that, initially, I don't know that this is a networking company because I have not been employed for 27 years. I am not connected in any other networking, and this is my first time to do MLM or network marketing. So, what only Shane said, if you want to succeed here in Leeway International, sabi niya, you just need to do one thing. Sabi ko, what is it? Sabi niya, you attend event. You must sit down and listen. Mahirap po ba? Sit down and listen? No. And of course, you must follow. So anything Shane said, sabi ko nga if I'm going to earn 1 million, even Shane will say, ate, mag-aral na tumuhod sa Alhambra. Alhambra I will do it. Bakit? Because two of my children doesn't have capability of earning money. So I keep on attending, and Shane said, ate you bring tao. Ay, bring pala ng tao. So, because wala akong kilala for 27 years, sinama ko po yung anak ko. So, umupo naman po kami dyan. I always bring him. So, sabi ni Shane, ate, I told you to bring tao. Sabi ko, yes, this is tao.
Yung anak niya.
So, what kind of tao? Client. Okay. Because that time, Miss Norman Shane, hindi pa po ganun kaano yung English niya. So, mahirap po intindihin. Would you imagine me and Shane, our business partner, despite I cannot understand her. And she is a foreigner, different culture. But she guided me here in Leeway. And I just keep on advocating it. Sabi ko, Shane, I don't have tao, I don't know anyone. And Shane, get my phone. Alam ko, tatakbo niya. So she get my phone, and she scrolls. Sabi niya, who is this, who is this, who is this, who is this? And that is my aunt, that is my uncle. But they are in Australia. Because that time po, I think that is EDSA revolution. All our relatives went to Australia to migrate. So, nanay ko lang po yung naiwan dito sa Philippines. They keep on telling me, even my mom before, there is no such thing as an opportunity here in the Philippines. So, when my aunt migrated in Australia, they told me, there is no such thing as an opportunity in the Philippines. So, when I got married, my husband cannot work dito lang sa factory. Sabi niya, he wants to go abroad to get more greener pasture. And there is no opportunity here in the Philippines. Yet I saw 4 Malaysians went here to the Philippines, opened the market, and they saw a great opportunity here in the Philippines. And if they change their life in a new way, definitely our life can also be changed if we are just willing to follow.
Yes.
So many people, when we share birthday, they say always, ang mahal! Di ba po? Sino pong nagsabi dito, ang mura? Wala, no? Kahit po ako naisip ko, sino si Raul na kayo bibili nito? But because of the technology, of the value of the product, our life, do we have a price tag of our life? Wala, no? So, in katulad na sabi ni Tita Yema, no, in our last LPS, sinabi nga po doon in Islamic Share that we have also health responsibility. Actually, if you are a parent, you need to take care of yourself, of your health. Bakit? Para we will not be a burden to our children. Sino pong parents dito ang pangarap maging burden ng mga anak? Taas po ang kamay. Wala, di ba po? Yes. So, we need to take care of our health. Hindi kailangan na nakaratay ka na to take your care. Especially now, this is already affordable. And we also have financial responsibility. Would you imagine when my mom died, hindi ko alam kung bakit ako umiiyak dahil iniwanan niya ako ng utang or namatay siya. And I don't like that to happen to my children. Naiiyak sila, hindi nila maintindihan kung namatay nanay nila or dahil may utang silang babayaran. So, here in Riway International, we keep on attending training. And one of the training that hits me, yan po, no, when our instructor asked us, sabi niya, I want to ask a question. Sabi niya, may I ask, who of you, among you, know who is your grandfather? So, kayo po, kilala niyo yung grandfather niyo?
Yes.
Yes, kilala natin, ano? Kahit kaya natin sabihin anong pangalan niya. So, syempre, bida-bila yung mga Pilipino, nag-training kami. Sabi namin, ako, ang pangalan ng lola ko, Conrado de la Rosa Leonor. So, all of the people, they tell what is the name of their grandfather. And then, our instructor asked us again, sabi niya, okay, I will ask another question. I will ask, who is your great-great-great-grandfather? And all the people are laughing, all the leaders are laughing. Sabi namin, paano namin malalaman yun? They died before we are being born. Tapos sabi niya, yeah,